to carry through the look and feel of a wedding, you want to be sure to incorporate the same type of flowers and foliage into your corsage and boutonnieres. As you can see here, the small boutonniere with the rose that we've incorporated from our bridal bouquet and the seeds from the seeded eucalyptus of the Sydney. Also, same type of thing on our wrist corsage that we have incorporating a couple of the roses in the seeded eucalyptus. One quick tip I want to share with you is we're working on the eucalyptus and we've taken those apart, just cut those off. Sometimes you'll want to be sure and strip the plastic vein out of the bottom because you want something that's more pliable. And in this case, we've done that. We're going to trim our leaf, and we're going to roll our leaf. You can see here, instead of keeping all of the foliage flat, we're going to do a rolling technique. Simply a little bead of glue, and we're going to take our pliers and bring this around and take it apart and then back in. Remember, if we let it sit for a few seconds, it gets a little tacky, and then we'll bring that back around. And squeeze it together. This will allow us to have more texture, a little bit more bulk to our leaves that we're using in the design. So be sure and incorporate the same foliage, the same flowers, and the Sydney eucalyptus is perfect for that.